Good morning, everyone. I'm Aubrey Yuen, and I will be presenting topic 16, which is about email marketing automation. My agenda for today is to discuss the following. The first one is the introduction. Second, why use email automation for marketing? Third, benefits of email marketing automation. Fourth, how does email marketing automation work? Fifth, email marketing automation best practices. And the last one is email marketing automation examples. So what is email marketing automation? It is sending relevant emails to subscribers based on events and triggers. This strategy allows marketers to send personalized messages to prospects and customers on a schedule or when specific conditions are met. So basically, email marketing automation is all about making campaigns in an automated process. So how is it useful? Automating emails saves marketers the hassle of creating and sending new emails whenever there are prospect that shows interest in a brand, or sometimes if there are customers who abandon their cart, and also it helps the businesses launches its promotions and sales and so forth. So apart from that, studies have shown that using marketing automation workflows, it uh, leads to an 80% increase in the number of leads and 77% boost in conversion. So the next one, why use email automation for marketing? The first one, it creates segmented mailing lists. Email marketing automation enables the businesses to create a highly segmented mailing list. Marketers can segment their list based on subscribers' activity and customer relationship management data. For example, the entire purchase history, last purchase, lead stage, and so forth. The next one is convert prospect into customers. Email automation helps marketers to nurture the leads that they need to convert through their sales funnel effectively. It ensures that they avoid the labor-intensive task of sending emails manually. The third one, maintain engagement with prospect and existing customers. Email marketing automation provides online marketers with click-through data that enables them to identify which assets or links with their emails get favorable responses. So by taking this information into account, marketers can then optimize the effectiveness of the messages of their emails to avoid complaints and also to build good impressions and reduce the number of unsubscribe and bounces. In the end, marketers get maintain healthy level of engagement with both prospect and customers. The next one, increase efficiency. With email automation, online marketers can computerize repetitive CRM tasks and saves a lot of time and effort. Some of the activities that they can include in the automation are the following: storing and tracking customer data, determining the level of interest of their customer and their intention to buy using the lead scoring. Also, reestablishing contact with inactive leads and calculating return of investment. The next one, improve engagement. Email automation enables marketers to provide appropriate, personalized, and timely messages to their subscribers. In turn, marketer boosts the engagement subscribers have with their brand. The next one, benefit of email marketing automation. There are 4 benefits. The first one, increased transactions. With email automation, it allows marketers to provide personalized field, for instance, the name, the location, the company name, and so forth in their email messages. Customizing marketing messages in this way results in open rates increase by 26%. Also, worth noting in that emails with personalized messages leads to a transaction rate that is 6 times higher. The next one is effective segmentation. Email marketing automation helps marketers to send out relevant messages to their subscribers. It allows brands to segment based on data, both leads and customers, into different groups to ensure that they receive the offers they are interested in. According to MailChimp's study, segmented emails campaigns have 100.9% higher click-through rates and 14.3% higher open rates. The next one is increased revenue with transactional emails. So what is transactional emails? These are the messages sent to website visitors automatically after they perform a specific transaction. Like for example, they download ebooks or purchase and so forth. Email marketing automation allows proactive marketers to use transactional emails to take other measures. And the last one, integrate with the customer buying cycle. Email automation allows marketers to sync their business activities with the purchase cycle of their customers. It enables them to send emails right about the time a customer needs another of their products. So for example, you aalamin mo kung kung kailan ba nagpo-purchase yung customer for that specific product. Like for example, bibili siya ng like for example sa mga soap. So every month siya bumibili nun. So isi-set mo yon sa email automation mo na every month after 4 weeks magse-send ka ng email sa kanya to remind na may mga ganun siyang product na kailangan ng ibilhin. The next one, how does the email marketing automation work? The first one, email automation is about triggers and actions. So when a particular event is triggered, a specific email or set of emails are sent. The length of an automated email series depends on the number of marketing action the businesses wants to automate. So here, the marketers can be creative as they want. So sila yung magsiset kung ano ba yung mga gusto nilang isend sa customer nila. To enable email marketing automation, a marketer creates an email flow using an email service. An email flow is a series of automated messages sent to a subscriber based on their data or specific behavior. Using workflow, businesses can send the right emails to leads at the right time based on the information they have about them. The next one, email marketing automation best practices. The first one, design a branded email template. It is strongly recommended that a businesses will create its unique email template and use it every time they send a campaign. This will help you save time and increase your brand recognition. The next one, send an onboarding series. This is your chance to not to only welcome the new subscribers, but also to create a good first impression. Let user know how your brand can help solve their problems. For this purpose, provide links to the top rated contents, the most visited pages, or your best products. Share a guide on how to get the most out of your services. Create several emails that will send according to your subscribers' behavior. The next one is segment your mailing list. You can start grouping your list into segments with your welcome series. Add a link to your preference management center where users can choose the frequency and types of emails they want to receive from your brands. Then the subscribers will similar choices will automatically be added to the corresponding list. You can also let them choose the topic or products they are interested in and send different emails to each segment. This way, you will boost customer engagement, email CTR, and sales. The next one, nurture leads. Lead nurturing helps marketers turn prospects into clients by providing valuable content in each stage of the sales funnel. You can effectively nurture leads with automated emails. An onboarding email series is part of this process. You need to understand the level of engagement of your leads, whether they are aware of the benefits of your services or if they actually know your services. Provide them with relevant educational content and offer in each stage. The next one, send milestone emails. These emails are sent on special days such as your client's birthday or the anniversary of their sign up, first purchase, or any other important day. What's good about this email is their CTR. People appreciate brands that approach each customers individually. All you need is to keep records of the significant dates in your mailing list and then send automated emails using necessary variables. Like for example, a user sign up date. And as a result, you'll increase your email CTR, empowered your client's relationship, and boost customer loyalty. The next one, bring clients back to their shopping carts. You can remind customer about their cards and increase sales. Itong mga abandoned carts na to is ito yung pinaka parang pain point or masaklap dun para sa mga seller. So siguro medyo relate tayo dito yung mga sa Lazada, Shopee accounts natin. Ang dami natin ina-add to cart but hindi natin chine-check out. So may mga ginagawa si seller to remind us na ay may in-add kang product namin, baka gusto mo nang i-check out, ganun. Set ups and send automated emails a day or two after a user added the item to their cart. Add photo of a product, its price, delivery expenses, and the total. You can give incentives to customer para i-go niya lang yung order niya. The next one is upsell and cross-sell automatically. So with this marketing strategy, you can make the customer to spend more money. Upselling means promoting a better and more expensive product on the same category. Like for example, may may gusto siyang bilhin na item. Like for example, iPhone 14. So, etong strategy na to is i-offer mo sa kanya yung iPhone 15. Instead no iPhone 15 na initial order niya. Cross-selling naman is promoting complementary products. So ito naman is nagkakaroon ka ng package. It's like a package na siya like phone, dadagdagan mo ng headset or kung ano mang mga pwedeng i-package yun, like casing, like ganon. So by that, you need to create a list of products that you can promote with each item. And then an email will automatically send to customer at the time they place the order. The second one, the next one is send transactional emails. These emails include order confirmation, shipment status, updates, password resets emails, and pricing plan expiration mails. So sabi ko nga kanina, transactional emails are those messages that send automatically to a website visitor whenever they do a transactions, like they download some files or purchase. It would take you much time to send them manually to each customer. So you can set up automated email sending once and maintain customer retention. The next one is re-engage passive clients. Users may lose interest in your plans or simply forget about it. If they haven't opened your emails for the past 3 months, send them a re-engagement email campaign. Ask them if they want to receive your emails and provide unique offer to win them back. The last one is manage your mailing list. Every email you send influences your client's stage in the sales funnel. So you need to improve them to different mailing lists to send relevant emails. For example, if the users change their email preferences, they should be added to the corresponding list, or when they make a specific number of purchases. The good news is that you don't need to do it manually. Just take this option when creating an email flow and choose the necessary list. So the last topic is email marketing automation example. So there are 4 examples of email marketing automation. The first one is welcome email. An automated welcome emails is the first interaction that a business has to its new subscriber. The purpose of this email is to welcome the new contact to the group and encourage them to engage with the company further. So here's the example of a welcome email. So yan, yung mga makikita mo dyan. So kung ano yung gusto mong impression na ma-set sa first time mo or sa new subscribers mo. So ganun mo siya i-create. The next one, abandoned cart emails. Sometimes a customer ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na almost siguro lahat sa atin is may Shopee and Lazada account na nag-a-add to cart tayo ng sobrang dami but hindi naman din natin i-check out. So the seller or the businesses use abandoned cart email to send follow-up para dun sa mga items na in-add to cart. An abandoned cart email is a follow-up messages sent to a to such customers to remind them of the product that they left in the cart. So here's the example. Yan. So siguro nakakita na tayo niyan kapag yung sa ano natin, yun niya, oops, yeah, parang may na-miss ka na product. Ganun. The next one is order confirmation email. An order confirmation email is sent immediately after the customer make an order. It gives the customer essential details about the purchase to check. Here's the example. Nandito yung mga details ng mga orders niya. So yan, i-check niya yan kung tama ba yung pumasok na transaction o ito ba talaga yung tinransact niya. So parang ito na din yung reference ni customer para dun sa in-order niya na item. The last one is thank you email. It is a strategic way for a business to foster personal clients relationship. A thank you email is sent after a visitor subscribe or makes a purchase. So this is the example of thank you email. So, yan. You're saying thank you because nag-purchase siya. And sana, magtuloy-tuloy pa ulit. Yun. And that's all for topic 16, email marketing automation. Thank you for listening.